here, I want them to also sit properly, because a lot of people sit for work. I have the same thing. I have another patient. She does work from home. So all day long, she's either sitting or standing.
I think that people who work from home,
Yeah.
they have a problem, huh?
They don't move enough.
Yeah.
The body, as you know, has to move enough to stay healthy. So for her, hers was she was sitting like this at work all day.
Mm-hmm.
Typing, mouse, whatever it is, talking on the phone, video screen for one too, all of it. Her body was here. So with this posture, now you're like the standing, you're arching your back forward, head's forward here. These muscles have to hold her head back. Then the spine having a normal curve coming backwards should hold the spine. Because her knees are above her hips here, that point it causes the back to stay in flexion, which will cause more pain than staying in extension back here. What I have her do as my checklist is have her bring her feet underneath her, either under her chair or on the side like I am right now.
Yeah.
And then so knees are
Like
below her
right
hips.
now, it's supposed to be set down like that.
Just like that. So scoot forward the chair too. Scoot forward the chair. See, I'm on the very front of the chair here.
Yeah.
So your hips can clear. Coming down this way, boom, just like that. And that allows you now your back to arch more forward, coming this way, going forward, the shoulders dropping back more. So her head can sit over her shoulders instead of forward here. Because here's where your spine holds you up, the hard part of your body, your structure is your denser material, hold this muscle can relax.
And what about the one, the high desk?
Yeah, the stand-up desk. Those are good too.
Yeah, and then, but they have to know how to be standing too, huh?
So they have to be able to stand right on the wall, then come back on their heels more, but they can sit longer and stand longer to have more endurance. So part of it is not just the pain, but I can sit, say for 10 minutes causes pain. So my job over time is make sure that 10 goes to 20, 30, 40, so you can sit and stand longer, have more endurance by building more strength. So starting with this too, again, knees below the hips, shoulders down, head back, looking down, I was telling my patient too this morning, looking down over your nose, not with your eyes. Look at my eyes, not my eyes. If I look at my eyes, my head falls down.
We have to look at like this.
Exactly. Use your glasses. Like this. Just like that. Exactly. You want to stay here, not here. Okay? So Marie, show me real quick how you would sit.
What about, the people they are in the cell phone now, they always
over their phone too. So looking over their eyes more would be good with the cell phone versus here. So right there.
I put my legs in here.
Yep, right there, with your leg just like that. Boom, we get the angle a little bit more to this way. How's that feel doing it that way?
Yeah.
Getting the shoulders back. And here, actually sit up more. Sit up, right there. And now bring your legs inside again. So I tell people use the back, the back of the chair is more decoration. Yeah, it's only for decoration. Yeah, the back of the chair. So here, again, head's back, head's in line with the shoulder, body's in line too, knees are below the hips, and the feet are behind you.
And now when I look, I have to be like this.
Look down over your nose, good, perfect. Then with your eyes, if you're with your eyes again, eyes will go straight.
Like this, huh?
Perfect. That's the plan. All right, thank you. You got it. You're gonna have a strong back the rest of your life, which is good.